Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be looking at the charts, giving you guys my personal daily analysis to see what is happening with the price of Pepe and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Pepe right now, as of June 19th, 2023, you guys can see there's about 6 zeros in front of the price. We're currently sitting at 946,589. We're up about 1.1% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down about 1.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours, and that should not be a shock to anyone right now. Bitcoin is moving towards the upside, and dominance is also increasing, which is causing a lot of altcoins across the board to lag behind Bitcoin right now. But we're going to be talking more further into the price and see what is happening and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. So of course, we're going to be looking at the holder count today. We're still at 119,266 holders. Things are looking great. New holders coming in day by day. So that is a beautiful thing to point out, of course. And if we're looking at their Twitter, it's approaching that 310,000 follower mark, which is going to be a huge milestone for the project of Pepe. But now let's get right into the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So looking at the price of Pepe right now, you can see, it's at that 9496 cents mark. We could possibly see us reclaim back above that one, kill another zero. So we will be, having about 5 zeros in front of the price. But if we're looking at its market cap, pay close attention to the market cap. So you guys can see this for yourself. Market cap is currently sitting at almost $400 million, and Pepe literally did spot on exactly what I said in my yesterday's video, which I said we will see if we are not able to reclaim above that level of resistance, we will see Pepe go back down to that $380 to $370 million market cap, and that's exactly what we saw happen. But of course, this time around, since the support that we have built up for the price of Pepe over the past week or so has played out as a level of support for the price of Pepe. And since yesterday's low, we are up about 4.05%. so what is next, right? That is a question that you might be thinking right now. Are we ever going to break back above that $500 million market cap? Because right now we have been hovering around the same range for quite some time. We were seeing things really get exciting on June 9th, but of course we saw a massive dip. So what exactly is next? That's the question that everyone probably has on their mind right now. So I'm going to give my projections on that, of course, right now. But if you guys are not familiar with the crypto markets, you guys might not know that we've heard some massive bullish news that has come out in favor of Bitcoin. And of course right now the SEC has this massive cracking down going on, where they're going around and they're labeling cryptocurrencies as securities, cracking down on exchanges. But now we're seeing their competitors come in and really start supporting cryptocurrencies. And not only that, BlackRock is working with Coinbase for their Bitcoin ETF. And if that were to get approved, they have a great track record. BlackRock has a great track record, and of course we heard some news about Fidelity as well jumping on board. So what they are doing is they're seeing the bigger picture. These guys are aware as to what cryptocurrency is all about, and they know the interest level that's going to come in next year after the Bitcoin halving. All these retail investors are going to be going to these institutions saying, we want Bitcoin. How do we purchase this Bitcoin? How we want it? Because everything is going to be about Bitcoin and crypto next year. And we're seeing these people time it perfectly because they see a potential for for that. So that is a very, very bullish thing to point out. And of course, we're seeing Bitcoin also rallying right now once again above 27k mark, and potentially could be re-entering the 61.8 for the first time since May 31st of last month. So that is going to be very, very impressive. If the price of Bitcoin is able to push above this level of resistance, I think this time around it has what it takes to hit a new yearly high. But we need to see how things play out. But what we're seeing happening with Pepe is, of course, Pepe is also reacting to the USD, comparative. Of course, right now, like I said, we're up about 1.3%, but we're lagging in BTC. And of course, we're going to lag in Bitcoin comparative. We hit a yearly high in dominance. And this is what I've been talking about, like, a broken record at this point, that dominance is increasing. Dominance could hit a new yearly high, and you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin dominance has crossed above 50%, and majority of the momentum right now is on Bitcoin side, and that could potentially push us back into the 61.8. And if that were to happen, I am expecting, of course, altcoins and the meme coins to react to the Bitcoin momentum. And I would see us retest this high that we have set for ourselves on June 17th. But of course, we have resistance around there, which I've told you guys before. We've gotten stopped out here 2 different times at that same level of resistance. If we're able to cross back above there, we are going to be going back to the June 9th prices. And in order for the price of Pepe to go back to the June 9th price, that is a move of about 25.45%. So things are slowly but surely starting to look good, but the main target remains the same, which is this blue line, which I've been talking about for quite some time. Once we break out of that blue line, I think that's where excitement will build up once again, and we potentially could be going for $1 billion market cap. And in order for us to retest that level of resistance, it's a move of about 57%. And if you are familiar with the crypto space, when things start heating up, that can happen very, very fast. So things on the larger scale, are looking great in my opinion. Right now, of course, Bitcoin is having majority of the momentum. It's kind of leaving altcoins behind, as it has done since literally after February, because altcoins have literally just been dropping since February. But Bitcoin once again has momentum on its side, but it's going to be very, very exciting, of course, for the entire space to see how BTC reacts. And if Bitcoin does get into the 61.8 zone, we are expecting, in my opinion, I'm expecting the price of Pepe to break out of the new high that we have created after the dip back on June 15th, and that is a projection move of about 25% from the current price levels. Of course, we're going to take it one step at a time. As a larger scale of things, I still think that Pepe has what it takes to take over Shiba Inu. But also one or two people came out on the videos and brought up a great point. Shiba Inu, how we make comparisons with Shiba Inu, that Pepe is the next Shiba Inu, Pepe is going to take over Shiba Inu. But one thing someone said that is literally spot on that I did not think about is that Pepe does not have a burn mechanism. And if you are familiar with the Shiba Inu launch, whoever created, the devs that created Shiba Inu, they sent a big amount. It was like $1 billion, I think, worth of amount of Shiba Inu to Vitalik, and Vitalik is the founder of Ethereum. They sent it to him, and guess what Vitalik did? Yes, he didn't cash out. He burned that amount of tokens that were there, and guess what that did? That took Pepe to a level that took Shiba Inu to a level no one expected. So some people are saying Pepe devs need to build that in, and I totally agree with that, and I'm behind you guys on that. So maybe if you guys are watching Pepe devs, build a burning mechanism within your project, because I think that will bring in more attention to the project for sure. So that is something I was wrong on, and I need to correct myself. Again, I wasn't really wrong, I just didn't think about that. So let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Pepe going. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.